On News Hour tonight with me is Vinod Mehta, Editor-in-Chief of Outlook, Bachi Karkaria, author and columnist, joining us tonight. We will also have with us Seshadri Chari, member of the National Executive of the BJP, Ashish Nandi, one of India's most respected sociologists, Asaduddin Owaisi, very vocal on the subject of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihad-e-Muslimin, Zafar Yab Jilani, convener of the Muslim Reservation Movement, and Maulana Maqsood Al-Hasan Kazmi, who's chairman of the Imam Council of India. Let's call a spade a spade. Fact of the matter is, Ashish Nandi, let me start with you. Seems a little choreographed. As in, if the organizers wanted to resist, they could have resisted. There were thousands of people inside. I only saw a few people come and, protest. Everybody succumbs, and then after succumbing, they make a big song and dance about it. Was there, in your view, any real attempt at taking on these fringe groups? Or
No,
did they buckle under the pressure?
There is a misunderstanding about the nature of the Indian system. This is not really a democracy. This is a cephocracy. It revolves around elections and electioneering. That's all. It's the whole system is organized around that. It's the same people who gulp the whole thing would roar like tigers, and even the regime will make a lot of noise once the UP elections are over. But the UP elections are coming. They don't want anything which will threaten their constituency.
But today, in your view, for all this moral outrage which is being expressed today that our voices have been silenced, I mean, you allow your voices to be silenced.
Yes.
And you succumb extremely meekly to it, and then you say that, this is all very sad and let's protest on Facebook and Twitter. I mean, that's really ironic.
Yes, I do think that if you make enough noise, if the hardliners make noise, you should make enough noise to be a real nuisance, and things will be very different.
Yeah. Why didn't that happen? What is your take? Well, let me get one view from outside. Bachi Karkaria.
Yes,
what do you think? Could there have been some resistance shown? At least a little bit of resistance shown? Why is the resistance shown later? Not when the protests are happening, not when the attempts are being made, of a few people to stop this video link from happening. There was no protest.
Arnab, I don't think you can separate...
There's no counter-protest at all.
Arnab, I don't think you can separate what happened today from what has been happening on this issue of Salman Rushdie at the Jaipur Literature Festival. Because, I mean, if you're thinking of if you're confining the issue to Midnight's children and today's video conference, which was supposed to be Midnight's child, and where he's discussing only this book, then yes, it was a stupid thing to cancel the video conference. It was a backing off, etc. But if you're going back to the reading from Satanic Verses and the danger that the issue could have been brought up again, then we are talking about a banned book. A banned book, whether you agree with the ban or not, is a book banned under the law. And therefore, maybe
I'm on the video conference. I am on the issue of the video conference. Why did they not even attempt to have a video conference? This was the most meek surrender that one has ever seen.
Arnab, if I may finish, Arnab, I think this whole business, everybody has either been playing to the gallery or making the maximum out of this whole controversy. Everybody is either a vulture or someone backing off. So this whole issue has deteriorated into something of a farce rather than the tragedy which it really should be.
Well, I mean, I am simply so surprised that as far as the law is concerned, you have law after law after law which the organizers, who are literate and well-aware people, could have used to their own defense. They didn't really go to the law. They had a private meeting, and then they came and said that we have given in. We don't like to give in, but we have given in. Now let me get a third voice into this. Aren't you also today, Asaduddin Owaisi, both embarrassed and at the same time worried that this today will be the birth of a new form of intolerance in our society? Mr. Owaisi.
Arnab, let me first start by thanking you for doing that program on the Norwegian, the Indian parents who have demanding for their two children, and I should really thank you. That was a great move, great program. Now coming back to your question, Arnab, please allow me to answer this question in a slightly different way. That is that Muslims face a existential threat from the right-wing politicians. We face a cultural and a religious threat from the so-called liberals. Now, for both these groups, the backwardness of this country and the backwardness of my community is because of my religious identity. Now, I would like to please tell these people, both liberals and the right-wing people who practice right-wing politics, is that I am proud of my Indian identity. I am proud of my Indian religious identity. And come what may, I am not going to abdicate my religious identity. Now, about your question of whether this is going to be a new thing, Arnav, why don't we go to the people? You as a liberal, supporting liberal vile user ideas, let us put this to the country that in 2014, let the country decide whether India wants to have a US-like liberal democracy, a France-like liberal democracy, a Denmark-like liberal democracy. Let the country decide. I mean, why are you putting always the Muslim community at the forefront?
We have a constitution. We have a constitution.
That is what...
Mr. Owaisi, I have great respect for you, but show me one, cite to me tonight one law, because you have been on your various television appearances, been going unchallenged in my view, on one very critical aspect. Show me, Mr. Owaisi, one line of the law which says that you cannot have a video link.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, neither are you the DGP or the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, neither am I that. Now, when you ask for a law, let me tell you that in Criminal Procedure Act, there are various CRPC sections that talk about controlling public disorder. Now, are you trying to say that it was me who had given an order to the DGP or the Commissioner of Jaipur? I mean, everything even if a threat is given that the Mumbai mafia will put in 1 or 2 bullets in Rajni's body, you ask me the question. I mean, come on, I cannot be a spokesperson, Arnab Goswami, of that not a video link not being uplinked, the threat to that person coming from.
Mr. Owaisi, you are getting me wrong. I would only like to quote to you,
Arnab, you can
because I know that you are legally very qualified. I would like to quote to you, sir, that in the celebrated judgment, Rangaraj versus Jagjivan Ram, our Supreme Court emphasized that the freedom of expression protects not merely ideas that are accepted, but those that offend, shock or disturb the state or any sector of the population. Such are the demands of the pluralism, tolerance and broad-mindedness without which there is no democratic society. I now want to welcome... You want to respond very quickly? Then I'll get my other panelists in. Yes, Mr. Owaisi, go ahead.
Arnab Goswami, what you have said is absolutely right. But please understand that freedom of religion is also fundamental right. Freedom of religion you cannot put freedom of expression or freedom of religion. Freedom of religion is there, which is an absolute fundamental right. And freedom, I enjoy my religion freedom, you enjoy your freedom of expression, so long as you don't, offense or, commit an offense.
Sure we do. We are getting a response coming in. Maulana Kazmi wants to come in. Go in, Mr. Kazmi.
Yeah, Mr. Arnab Goswami, you were asking about the closing video link after Rajdi.
Yes. What is there which shows that you can't have a video link?
In the past, in this very lit fest, malicious things and outrageous things have been made. More than 4 persons have written out satanic verses excerpts. So what was the guarantee? The same would not be repeated this time. What was the guarantee?
Who takes the decision? Does the police matter? Do the authorities matter?
No, we have not closed it. Police, it is the matter of police.
Police did nothing.
Now, organizers have not been able to assure them that there will not be repeated the same.
They did not seek any assurance because there was no talk about the video link. This is a decision that has been taken by the organizers.
Except of Salman Rushdie settling verdi's, more than 4 persons have written out.
Please be categorical. This happened because there was a fear to the damage to property. There was a fear of violence. Why are you running away from that?
It is not. We are not running away from that.
There was a fear of intimidation.
But this is the matter of the administration. Administration knows very well what would have happened. But you are instigating people. You are instigating so-called liberal people to indulge in violence.
That's not the point. The point is, please don't say that, sir. I think you're being unfair. My simple question is, why is there no organized resistance? In fact, I find it very interesting today that Seshadri Chari actually supports the position that has been taken by Asaduddin Owaisi. Don't you?
No.
Do you?
No, I have not yet spoken.
Yeah.
So I don't know from where you get this idea that I am supporting anybody or not of supporting.
Yes.
I have only 2 or 3 points. I have a very different take. Mr. Owaisi said that the fundamental right to religion is absolute. I think under the Constitution, no right is absolute. Every right has a corresponding duty. So I cannot say that my right of religion is absolute. Similarly, I cannot also say that as a literary person, as a writer, my right is absolute.
How many people does it take?
I can't say this.
How many people does it take? What's simple, small question, layman question.
I'll come to one by one.
How many people need to come together with some sticks or some stones or with some bricks? How many people
Fine.
come together to thwart the voice of a large number of people?
Fine.